Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video, you will learn how to set up CyberPanel on AWS EC2. Previously, I have made 3 videos related to CyberPanel. In those videos, I demonstrated CyberPanel installation on DigitalOcean, and in this video, we will do it on AWS EC2. First, log into your Amazon AWS account and click on EC2 under Services. After that, click on Launch Instance. I have also made some related content here. I have created 2 or 3 videos explaining how to create an instance, its details, and how to create a free trial account on AWS. After that, you simply need to go to AWS Marketplace and search for CyberPanel. Copy the name and search for it, then press Enter. You will find its name and image here. Click on Select. The procedure is similar to installing WordPress. Since this is available in the free trial, you can use it without seeing the pricing. Click on Continue. After clicking Continue, it will ask whether you want to use a larger instance or how many GB you want to allocate. If you're using the free trial, click Next. You only need to create one instance. If you want to create a server for the CyberPanel, select this option. Click Next, then add storage. In your free trial, you can add up to 30 GB. Then click on Review and Launch, or you can add more details. You can add a tag. I'll put key here and keep the name as CyberPanel or anything like Cyber001. Next is Configure Security. Here you can add rules as per your requirements. By default, a security group has been created with 2 rules added. All port ranges are open. After this, click on Review and Launch, then Launch. It will ask you to create a key pair, so click on Create a new key pair. I'll name it CyberPanel. Click on Download Key Pair, then Launch Instance. Our CyberPanel is now being installed. It will take some time. Once the instance is running, we'll continue. Click on View Instance. It's showing pending status. It will take 4 to 5 minutes. After that, we'll continue the video. Now you can see the status has changed to running, and this is also completed. Next, you'll need PuTTY. Search for it here. When you install PuTTY, click on File, then Load Private Key. Go to Downloads, click on All Files, and select the file you just downloaded. Click Open. Then click on Save Private Key, click Yes, and I'll save it here. I'll save it with the same name as CyberPanel, and the file will be saved with a .ppk extension. The full form is PuTTY Private Key. Now, open PuTTY. In the hostname field, enter your public IP. If you select this, all the details will appear below. I'll move it up a bit, copy it, paste it here, and then go to SSH. Click on the plus sign, then Authentication. Browse and open the .ppk file you just created. After that, click Open. Now it's asking for a username. Since CyberPanel is installed on Ubuntu, the username will be Ubuntu. You can find these details here. When you selected it earlier, look again when you click on Launch. When you enter CyberPanel, it shows Linux Ubuntu. When you click Open, it asks for login. Enter Ubuntu and press Enter. Keep in mind that Ubuntu should be in lowercase. When I tried for the first time with a capital letter, it wouldn't connect. As soon as you enter the correct username, it will connect. Then it asks if you want to update the system. Type Y and press Enter. Now CyberPanel is being updated, along with all the necessary files. The required files are being updated. After that, since your password is entered, you'll have access to everything. The update has been completed. Look, it's saying that you can now use CyberPanel. To open the CyberPanel admin, you need to enter your IP followed by the port number. Only then can you access the admin login. I'll do this now, watch. I'll come here and open it because my IP is the public IP. This needs to be known in advance. Here it will ask for ID and password. The username will be admin, and the password will be taken from here. Now the CyberPanel login has opened. The username is admin, and for the password, you need to copy this command. Go here, paste it, and press Enter. You'll find the admin password here. I'll copy it and enter it here, then click to log in. Now the admin dashboard of our CyberPanel has opened. If you want to follow the further procedure on how to build a website and create a mail server on it, I have made 3 videos for that. The further procedure is the same, only the installation process was different on AWS, which I've explained here. I'm going to make more AWS-related videos, and you can also check out the website where you'll find blog posts. So if you have any questions or need further assistance, please let me know.